Warm and inviting. Brushed nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with other Moen bathroom accessories. Innovative features. Pivoting post allows for easy roll changes without the need for a traditional roller. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Built to last. Backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. With its rounded ends and repeating parallel rings, the Moen Stockton pivoting paper holder adds a sense of order to your bathroom. With a freestanding design and a pivoting arm for convenient roll changes, the paper holder is easy to use and includes everything you need for quick installation. The Moen Stockton pivoting paper holder features a warm brushed nickel finish. From the manufacturer Moen's brushed nickel pivoting paper holder from the CSI Inspirations collection's brushed nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Top reviews from the United States. This is the best idea for a toilet paper holder ever. I am not sure what happened when my bathroom was designed, but there is nowhere to hang a toilet paper holder on the walls near the toilet that would allow you to access the paper without being a contortionist, so for the longest time the toilet paper roll sat on the cabinet top next to the toilet where it could get knocked off onto the floor or slid into the sink. Now with this wonderful device the toilet paper stays in easy access to toilet. Super.